Remember, your actions determine your future. America is once again confronting the unresolved issues of the Epstein era, and this time it is delving into the highest echelons of power. Oversight Democrats are advocating for depositions involving former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, former President Bill Clinton, and are seeking sworn testimony from the current President Donald Trump. Lawmakers assert that the principle is straightforward. No title, past or present, exempts anyone from scrutiny. In a nation already grappling with trust in its institutions, this is not merely oversight. It is a credibility assessment. At the core of the controversy remain convicted financier Jeffrey Epstein and his associate Ghislaine Maxwell, whose conviction intensified global attention on who facilitated, overlooked, or profited from proximity to their network. Court documents and civil litigation continue to reveal names and associations, even when not directly linked to criminal convictions. The world has been observing how governments respond, and in several countries the response has been swift and public. In the United Kingdom, Prince Andrew resigned from royal duties following legal repercussions associated with Epstein-related allegations. In France, modeling agent Jean-Luc Brunel was arrested amid trafficking investigations before his death in custody. Major financial institutions, including JP Chase, have faced lawsuits over historic banking relationships connected to Epstein. Across Europe and beyond, inquiries, document releases, resignations, and court proceedings have indicated that associations alone can trigger institutional consequences. Whether through criminal charges, civil settlements, or reputational collapse, accountability mechanisms have been visibly activated. Even in corporate America, the reputational impact has been undeniable. Bill Gates publicly acknowledged that meeting with Epstein was a mistake and later described those interactions as a significant error in judgment. Although no criminal wrongdoing was alleged against him in connection with Epstein's crimes, the apology underscored how damaging even indirect association has become in the public eye. In today's transparency era, proximity to scandal carries weight, both legally and morally. This is why the push for depositions in the United States carries global implications. If other democracies confront uncomfortable truths through investigation and public scrutiny, America cannot appear hesitant. The nation often positions itself as a defender of the rule of law and human rights. To maintain that moral standing, justice must be consistent, not partisan, not selective, and not delayed by status. Depositions, document releases, and lawful oversight are not acts of revenge. They are tools of democratic hygiene. However, hearings alone will not define the outcome. The deeper power rests with voters. The right to vote in America was secured through bloodshed, lynching, imprisonment, and relentless sacrifice by citizens who believed democracy should correct itself. That history matters now. If Americans want transparency, equal accountability, and leadership that reflects integrity over influence, participation is the frontline action. Justice in committee rooms is important, but justice at the ballot box determines the direction of the country. Vote your truth.